today's topic is understanding quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? A polygon have four sides, then that polygon is called quadrilateral. If a polygon have four sides, quadrilateral, quadrilateral. A polygon which have four sides, then that polygon is called quadrilateral. What are the types of quadrilateral? Quadrilateral. There are 6 types of quadrilateral. First types of quadrilateral equal to 6 types. First type is kite. ओके, जो आसमान में वो अपन उड़ाते हैं संक्रांति पे, वही काइट है, ठीक है। What is kite? A quadrilateral which have adjacent sides, pair of adjacent sides are equal, then that quadrilateral is called kite. Okay, this is a quadrilateral type in which pair of adjacent sides are equal. जो ये वाला पेयर है, ये दोनों आपस में कनेक्टेड है, एंड ये दोनों पेयर आपस में कनेक्टेड है, ओके। बट इन दोनों में क्या रिलेशन है कि दोनों ये बोथ ऑफ आर इक्वल एंड दीज बोथ ऑफ आर इक्वल, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज कॉल्ड द काइट, ओके, ठीक है। नाउ सेकंड इज पैरेललोग्राम. Second is parallelogram. What is parallelogram? A quadrilateral which have opposite sides are equal and parallel, then that quadrilateral is called the parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. This is quadrilateral, a type of quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel and equal also, okay, then this quadrilateral is called the parallelogram. ये जो both of opposite side है, ये each other equal है and that's also equal. If we give the name this quadrilateral to ABCD, okay, now according to our theory, AB equal to CD and AB parallel to CD, and again AD equal to BC and AD parallel to BC, okay. Now this is the first property of parallelogram, okay. Now next, if we draw the diagonal of a parallelogram, this is the diagonal. If we join the opposite vertex of a parallelogram, that is called vertex. All of you know that very. ये सभी जो vertex, that's all called vertex of a quadrilateral, ठीक है। Now अगर opposite vertex are joined to each other, then they make a diagonal, okay. BD is the diagonal and AC is also a diagonal, okay. Now BD is diagonal, AC is also a diagonal bisect to each other of a parallelogram. Parallelogram का जो property है, diagonal bisect each other of a parallelogram. Intersecting point is O. इस parallelogram के लिए BD bisect AC. ओके, मतलब जो O है, दिस इज O पॉइंट इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ बोथ डायगोनल्स. ओके, इट मीन्स दिस पार्ट इज इक्वल टू दिस पार्ट, मतलब DO इज इक्वल टू OB, DO इज इक्वल टू OB and AO is equal to OC. AO is equal to OC. Okay, for the parallelogram. ठीक है, that is the property of parallelogram also. And now opposite angles of a parallelogram, that are opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Now पैरेललोग्राम को देखो, पैरेललोग्राम का स्पेलिंग काफी बड़ा होता है, तो हमने क्या किया, दो पैरेलल लाइन बना के उसके आगे जीएम लिख दें, तो उसे भी हम पैरेललोग्राम बोलते हैं. अपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम आर इक्वल. In this parallelogram, angle A equal to angle C, completely angle A equal to completely angle C, and angle D equal to angle B. This is also a property of a parallelogram. This is also a property of parallelogram. This is also a property of parallelogram. Okay. And what is parallelogram? When two sides of a quadrilateral are equal and parallel, two opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal and parallel to each other, then that quadrilateral is called the parallelogram. Okay. Now we take a next type of a quadrilateral. First type, second type, and third type. Third type is rectangle. Third type is rectangle. If a parallelogram, all angles are 90 degree, then that parallelogram make the rectangle. मतलब किसी पैरेललोग्राम के अगर सभी एंगल 90 डिग्री हो जाए तो वो पैरेललोग्राम रेक्टेंगल बन जाता है. This is the rectangle. If a parallelogram have all angles are 90 degree, then that is made rectangle. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. ठीक है, जो पैरेललोग्राम के क्या है, यहाँ पर जितनी भी प्रॉपर्टी है वो सब रेक्टेंगल की भी होती है. There, that is rectangle PQRS, SQ equal to PR. Okay, diagonal SQ is equal to PR. This is point O. ठीक है, according to our theory, that's this is equal to this. Okay, SQ bisect PR, so SO equal to OQ and PO equal to OR, but these both diagonal are equal, so four part of जो डायगोनल के फोर पार्ट्स है वो आपस में इक्वल टू ईच अदर, दैट्स आर आल्सो इक्वल टू ईच अदर. हेंस SO इक्वल टू OQ इक्वल टू PO इक्वल टू OR. इट मींस जो रेक्टेंगल में जो ये पार्ट्स होते हैं डायगोनल के, ये चारों ही पार्ट्स आपस में इक्वल होते हैं. ठीक है, SQ बाइसेक्ट PR. ओके, यहाँ पर now according to 90 degree is equal to 90 degree, opposite angles are equal, same as parallelogram. ठीक है, अच्छा, और opposite sides are equal we have given. Now next type of quadrilateral is rhombus. Our fourth type of quadrilateral is rhombus. A parallelogram which have all sides are equal, then that parallelogram is called the rhombus. A parallelogram all sides are equal. We also know about parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. But in the rhombus, four sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. here this is the parallel sign, okay, and this is means equal sides are equal, both of opposite, and that's are also equal. now and parallel also, इसे हम कहेंगे rhombus. Let take this name MNOP. It means NP and MO. NP, sorry, MO and NP diagonal of this rhombus. Okay. Now diagonal bisect each other. ठीक है. Diagonal bisect each other, but in the rhombus case diagonal are perpendicular bisect each other. मतलब जो यहाँ पर एंगल बनेगा वो 90 डिग्री का बनेगा, ठीक है, इन द rhombus. ठीक है, मतलब diagonal perpendicular bisect each other, perpendicular bisector each other, PN perpendicular to MO, PN perpendicular to MO. ओके. बाकी की जो प्रॉपर्टी है इसकी बिल्कुल सेम टू सेम पैरेललोग्राम की जैसी है. MN इक्वल टू PO, NP इक्वल टू NO. ओके, दैट्स ऑल पार्ट्स जो है, मान लो ये पॉइंट A है, PA equal to AN and MA equal to AO. Okay, opposite angles of a rhombus are equal. Angle M completely equal to angle O and angle N completely equal to angle P. Okay, ठीक है. तो ये rhombus हो गया. Now next type of a quadrilateral is square. A rhombus will be square if its four angles are same as 90 degree. एक rhombus स्क्वायर बन जाता है अगर उसके चारों एंगल जो हैं वो 90 डिग्री हो जाते हैं. A rhombus will be square if there are four angles are 90 degree. Okay, ठीक है. Let this is a square ABCD. That's are diagonal of this are intersect at point O. Then that parts of a square are equal to each other because due to diagonal also equal of rhombus. So four parts of that are also equal. There is 90 degree also in the square and in the rhombus 90 degree angle. देखो, we have OA equal to OB equal to OD equal to OC. ठीक है. diagonal AC equal to BD, diagonal AC equal to BD. now अगर हम इसकी बात करें, DC equal to AB and BC equal to AD, DC equal to AB and BC equal to AD. Opposite sides are equal, diagonals are equal, and that part of diagonals are also equal. Four parts are equal, but in this rhombus opposite parts are equal, but in the rectangle four parts are again equal, but in parallelogram only opposite parts are equal. ठीक है, that is square's property. Okay, opposite angles are equal. This is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. ठीक है, चलिए. स्क्वायर के बाद हमारे पास आता है सिक्स्थ जो टाइप है क्वाड्रिलेटरल का, देयर इज ट्रेपेजियम. sixth type of quadrilateral, trapezium. One pair of a quadrilateral is parallel. One pair of a quadrilateral, देखो, what is trapezium? One pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are parallel, but other is not parallel. एक पेयर अपोजिट साइड का मतलब दो अपोजिट साइड जो है वो आपस में पैरेलल हो, बाकी की दो नहीं हो. Dates are parallel but dates are not parallel. ठीक है. This is the PQRS. PQ parallel to RS, SR, PQ parallel to SR. Okay. But SP is not parallel to RU. In this case, this quadrilateral is called the trapezium. Okay. Now, this is the distance between the two parallel sides is height of the trapezium. Height. इसे हम हाइट कहेंगे, इसका नाम है ट्रेपेजियम. ठीक है. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पैरेलल साइड आर is called height of trapezium. Height of trapezium. Okay, this is the height of trapezium. ठीक है. That's are parallel sides of trapezium. ठीक है. तो ये था ट्रेपेजियम. तो हमने क्या किया, क्वाड्रिलेटरल के 6 टाइप्स हमने पढ़ लिए. हाउ is the polygon called convex and concave? Convex and concave polygon. In a polygon, all the angles are, let we take a polygon for understanding this topic. Let this is a polygon. This is all interior angles is less than 180 degree. All interior angle, देखो ये जो एंगल है ना, ये वाले, that angles are called interior angle. And this angle is called exterior angle. This angle is called exterior angle of a polygon. And now, if all interior angle are less than 180 degree of a polygon, all interior angle are less than 180 degree of a polygon, then that polygon is called the convex polygon. ठीक है. Then this type of polygon is called the convex. ठीक है. Now again there is a polygon. This is also a polygon. This is also a polygon. Okay, but this interior angle is greater than 180 degree. Okay, minimum one interior angle of a polygon is greater than 180 degree. Greater than 180 degree. Then that polygon is called convex polygon. Sorry, concave polygon. Okay, now this is the concave polygon. This is also a concave polygon example. This is also a concave polygon due to this interior angle is greater than 180 degree. ठीक है, तो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कॉन्वेक्स एंड कॉन्केव पॉलीगन? अगर कौन इंटीरियर एंगल के अकॉर्डिंग अपन देखें तो अगर इंटीरियर एंगल किसी पॉलीगन के 180 डिग्री से लेस है देन दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉन्वेक्स, और 180 डिग्री से ग्रेट है देन दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉन्केव पॉलीगन. ओके, नाउ if we draw all diagonals of this, then we see that all the diagonals are the inside. ठीक है, सभी डायगोनल जो है वो अंदर ही है, ऑल द डायगोनल आर इनसाइड, बट इन दिस पॉलीगन सम डायगोनल्स आर आउटसाइड. इनसाइड डायगोनल, ऑल डायगोनल्स आर इनसाइड. All the diagonals are inside and this is outside diagonal. It means जो कॉन्वेव पॉलीगन है, जिस पॉलीगन में कम से कम एक डायगोनल आउटसाइड में होता है उसे हम कॉन्केव पॉलीगन कह देते हैं, और जिसमें कम से कम एक डायगोनल इनसाइड, सॉरी, जिसमें सभी डायगोनल इनसाइड में स्थित होते हैं उसे हम कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगन कह देते हैं. रेगुलर एंड इरेगुलर पॉलीगन. रेगुलर पॉलीगन is a polygon equal, this is a polygon, all sides are equal, then that is regular. Okay, but in this polygon all sides are not equal, so this is irregular. Okay, so what is the difference between regular and irregular polygon? A polygon which have all sides are equal, then that is called the regular polygon, and a polygon which have all sides does not equal, then that is called irregular polygon. Okay, रेगुलर पॉलीगन के इंटीरियर एंगल सभी, रेगुलर पॉलीगन के ऑल इंटीरियर एंगल आपस में इक्वल होते हैं. ऑल इंटीरियर एंगल ऑफ रेगुलर पॉलीगन आर इक्वल टू ईच अदर, बट ये चीज इरेगुलर पॉलीगन में संभव नहीं है. इफ इन द रेगुलर पॉलीगन ए बी ये सभी इंटीरियर एंगल है, तो अगर ये रेगुलर पॉलीगन है तो इसमें सभी एंगल इक्वल होंगे. एंगल ए इक्वल एंगल बी इक्वल एंगल सी इक्वल एंगल डी इक्वल एंगल ई. ठीक है, ऑल एंगल्स आर इक्वल, ऑल एंगल्स आर इक्वल टू ईच अदर. ऑल एंगल्स आर इक्वल टू ईच अदर. ठीक है, ऑफ रेगुलर पॉलीगन का सम क्या होता है? सम ऑफ ऑल, सम ऑफ इंटीरियर, सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ अ रेगुलर पॉलीगन या ऑफ अ पॉलीगन, ऑफ अ पॉलीगन. Now there is a formula for this where if n is number of side, if n is number of side of a regular polygon, of a regular polygon, of a regular polygon, then sum of, then sum of all angles, sum of all angles equal to n into 180 minus, sorry, 180 minus n 180 n minus 2. This is the formula of sum of all interior angles for a regular polygon. Now each interior angle of a regular polygon equal 180 n minus 2 upon n. Okay, each interior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 180 n minus 2 upon n. Now what is the relation between the interior angle and exterior angle, and what is exterior angle of a polygon? How can we define exterior angle of a polygon? This is a polygon, and now we are produce a side of a polygon. हमने क्या किया, इसकी एक साइड को प्रोड्यूस कर दिया, तो जो ये वाला एंगल है इसको हम बोलते हैं एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ पॉलीगन. दिस इज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ पॉलीगन. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज द इंटीरियर. ठीक है, इंटीरियर एंगल. Now we are seeing that both are in the linear pair. So exterior angle plus interior angle, exterior angle plus interior angle equal to 180 degree. Exterior angle plus interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay. ठीक है, sum of exterior angle of a polygon, sum of exterior angle of a polygon is equal to 360. And each exterior angle of a regular polygon, each exterior angle of regular polygon is equal to 360 divided by n, where n is the number of side of a polygon. Where n is the number of side of a polygon.